Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Thomas Perfumo. He's Kraken's head of strategy to discuss overall crypto market movements and trends, the beginning of the fourth quarter, and what's new at crypto exchange Kraken. Thomas, it's great to see you. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Thanks, Jill. Thanks for having me.
And Kraken just announced the firm has named a new CEO. Why this change and why now?
Yeah, so Jesse's greatest contribution over the last decade has been bringing over 3,000 people together under his vision to bring crypto to the people. And so him, in terms of his decision to leave, he's really now thinking about where he thinks he can drive the most impact going forward. And so that includes taking on more of a board strategic level and focusing on Kraken's products and our overall client experience, as well as doing more advocacy efforts in the industry at large. Dave Ripley, our incoming CEO, has been with Kraken for over half a decade. He's been in the crypto industry before then as a founder. So he knows Kraken, he knows crypto. And I think critically, as far as Kraken's concerned, everyone internally remains really just motivated by the mission and trying to focus on our own vision.
Tell us more about what's happening in the world of crypto. Bitcoin recorded a loss of 3% for September. Ethereum recorded a loss of 14%. As we start the fourth quarter, what should we expect from the crypto space?
Yeah, I think it really has been following a lot of the macro trends over the last month or so. And of course, that was a difficult period in terms of FX, in terms of bonds, in terms of equities. And so when you think about Bitcoin's performance, outperforming equities over the course of the month, with equities down double digits in the tech sector anyway, you also had correlations broadly rise throughout the month across all asset classes. Ethereum as well, declining a little bit post-merge, but on a 2-month basis, it's actually pretty lockstep with Bitcoin in terms of performance. So I would say, just generally speaking, it's really been impacted by a lot of the contagion, if you will, from the bond markets leaking into everything else in the other asset classes.
With macroeconomic trends, we have the pound reaching historic low last week, U.S. inflation's at over 8%, and Bitcoin still hovering around that 19,000 level. Does the Kraken team remain bullish, and why or why not?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I mean, this is an industry that plays out over years, not months. And so for us, we're really, again, very mission focused on trying to bring crypto more so into the world, into the masses. And that includes getting people access to non-sovereign forms of digital value or access to decentralized applications. And so we are very critically focused on that long-term vision ahead of us. And for us right now, this kind of short-term reverberation is really just the market cycle playing out.
And finally, anything else we should note from Kraken's and any upcoming developments that we can look forward to?
We have a lot of really cool products coming out, I think, in the fourth quarter. So we'll have more to talk about on NFTs, for example. We just released new funding options for the US via ACH. So lots of awesome stuff across all our different products. I encourage people to check out Kraken and see what's going on.
All right. Great to catch up with you as always, Tomas. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.